Hey guys, Brian here. This is the Weitov replacement TV remote. So we were looking for a replacement for this TV here. I think it works on like Insignia, Toshiba, a few different TVs. But anyways, this is really nice because it's super small, takes 2 AAA batteries. And let's go ahead and try this out and see how it works. So we'll just turn it on. We're getting the Insignia symbol here. While it's starting up, I'll kind of show a few features. One feature I like is it has Prime Video, Disney, Netflix, and Hulu. And we're gonna go, it's starting up right here. And you can press recent. When you press this button here, this little image, it goes to your different recent, what you've seen through all these modalities, like through Netflix, Prime, Hulu, so you don't have to select each one, which is really nice. This is a settings button, mute button, of course, volume up and down, selection buttons. This is home. So you just press that, you can return to home. This is back. Let's see what this button does. So it works pretty well. No complaints with this. We dropped it quite a few times, no issues with it at all. I would recommend it, and I've included a link down below. So check this out, guys.